In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to regenerate API token in Hostinger. To get started, log into your Hostinger account and make sure you're on the main dashboard. Once you're in, look over to the left-hand sidebar, because that's where you'll find the navigation menu you need for this process. Take a moment to scan through the options until you see the section related to developer features. From the sidebar, click on API under Dev Tools. This will take you to the area where your API access settings are managed. If you use API tokens to connect external apps, services, or custom tools to your Hostinger account, this is the exact place where those tokens are listed and controlled. After the page opens, you'll see a panel dedicated to API tokens. In that section, there will be a list of the tokens that have already been created for your account. This list helps you identify which token belongs to which use case, so before making any changes, it's a good idea to carefully locate the specific token you actually want to regenerate. Once you find the correct token in the list, click Regenerate next to that token. When you do this, Hostinger will create a new version of that token, replacing the old one. This is useful if you believe the token has been exposed, if you want to refresh your credentials for security reasons, or if you simply need to update the token being used in another tool. After regenerating it, make sure you copy and save the new token right away if the platform displays it only once. This is very important because any application or integration that was using the old token may stop working until you update it with the newly regenerated one. So if you have scripts, third-party platforms, or internal systems connected through that token, be sure to replace the old value everywhere it's being used. And that's it. The process is very quick. Open the sidebar, go to API under DevTools, find the token you want in the API token panel, and click Regenerate. If you're managing multiple tokens, just be extra careful to choose the right one before confirming the change, so you don't accidentally interrupt an active integration. That's how to regenerate an API token in Hostinger.